briefing. Before we start, I'll just quickly set the context and introduce our spokesperson. So today we have Farhana Haq, who is the Group Director of Devices at Microsoft India. She'll be sharing key findings of a Microsoft and a TechEye report, which essentially captures, how SMEs across Chandigarh can benefit from modern PCs and accelerate their digital progress. So without further ado, Farhana, can we have you on stage, please?
Focus more on what is important for SMBs in the country. Now, at Microsoft, we truly believe that what can we do as Microsoft to contribute more or to make our partners do more. And SMB forms a key part of that whole. In India, contribute to 30% of the GDP, employing more than 110 million people. Now that's a substantial volume. So अगर आप देखें SMB industry, they are the backbone for every large enterprise in the country. अगर आप auto ancillaries देखें, you may have a big name of Maruti and Honda and Hyundai, but who work with them in the back end are these auto ancillaries. If you take pharmaceuticals, or you take FMCG, or you take logistics, आप कुछ भी इंडस्ट्री कोई भी इंडस्ट्री पिकअप कर ले, SMBs form the backbone which ensure that the businesses run, and that's why 110 million people is populated or are employed by small and medium businesses, becoming one of the largest employment generators. What we at Microsoft then did was worked with a company called TechEye to understand what are the needs of the small and medium businesses, what are the needs of a small and medium businesses, what are their bigger concerns, and how can Microsoft help, especially around the tech area. Couple of things, obviously no-brainer. First, छोटी कंपनियां हैं, they need support in growing business. How can we support them to drive business growth? सबसे ज़्यादा priority उनका वही है, business growth कैसा करें हम. Second one, I have a lean staff. मेरा workforce बहुत ही limited है. How do I improve productivity of that? Third is obviously do all this at the least possible cost. You reduce costs. इन्हें इस तीन चीज़ को मद्देनजर रख के they realize that technology can play actually a big enabler. Primarily, they are realizing that cloud can do so much for them. Give them more cash flow, help them improve their cash flow, give money back in the system. Mobility, how can they leverage mobility solutions? What can be done on a mobile platform rather than in premise? Artificial intelligence, big buzzword, and traditionally artificial intelligence was limited to बड़ी कंपनियों में ही होता है, पर छोटी कंपनियों में सबसे ज़्यादा benefit artificial intelligence से भी हो सकता है. And last but definitely not the least, devices, especially PC. Now with all the changes in the government, with the GST coming in, with the whole aspect of digital transformation, PCs become key because more and more small and medium businesses are giving or leveraging the PC environment, the device environment to improve productivity. Because productivity, the third point in their ask, is limited to how can we make the employers work better. But if I come now from India to Chandigarh, these are the metrics from Chandigarh. 60% of the small and medium businesses, the interviewed base, didn't really have a device refresh policy. Most of them didn't know what a device refresh karna hai. Like, what is the policy? When should I refresh my device? What is the best operating system? They didn't have a clarity on that. So a lot of time when you set up a PC, if what he's saying, the configuration works, it should not be a problem. My suggestion would be like speak to him, figure out if you could reset it.
Hi, I'm Farhana Haq. I'm the Group Director for Microsoft India, and we are here today to talk about the study that Microsoft did with TechEye, which focuses on the needs of the small and medium businesses in Asia Pacific. The study says that there are three basic key reasons what small and medium businesses focus on: business growth, reduction of cost, and improving workforce productivity. Now, over the course of the study, we checked with them saying that अगर आपको ये तीनों में से कुछ भी करना है, तो what are you going to focus on? So technology strategy becomes a key part of it. Now, in technology strategy, the first aspect remains cloud में क्या करना है, mobility में क्या करना है, AI में क्या करना है, and more importantly, PCs में क्या करना है. आज का study is more about focusing on what they've said when it deals with the PC productivity in Chandigarh particularly. तो आपके जो बुकलेट है, जो फाइंडिंग्स हैं, उसमें आपको चंडीगढ़ के SMB कंपनीज ने क्या बताया. See, Windows 7, if you're using a PC with Windows 7, any other older versions of the OS, Windows 7 end of support जा रहा है 14 Jan 2020 पे. Okay, so this is the right time for you to upgrade your OS to Windows 10, and that is applicable to any kind of form factor that you're using. वो PDF में actually presentation में है, but broadly a older PC than 4 years causes a lot of downtime, increased downtime and reduced productive hours, which translated to hours. Yeah. See, all the OEMs, कोई भी OEMs ले लें, बड़े छोटे, all of them are having options or are giving programs, campaigns run कर रहे हैं around upgrading. So I think अगर आप कोई भी website जाएं अगर, तो आपको बहुत सारे programs and campaigns मिलेंगे about how to make it more affordable. Okay?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.